Hello guys, how are you YouTubers? How are you collectors and beginners? Today I will show you or I will help you to identify your coin that are you collected every day of your life. My first coin here that you see in my video is the coin from Australia, dated 1967, featuring Elizabeth II, 10 cents. This coin is from 1966 to 2019. Copper nickel clad and 5.66 grams. The diameter is 23.6 millimeter and the thickness is 1.76 millimeter. So as you could see in my video is this coin is rated side. And the reverse is featuring the bird in 10 cents. Very good coin, good for collection. This coin, when you search in eBay, is for only $1, but if your coin is brilliant, some are selling $4, $5, depending on this condition. And some are prop coin, much valuable than the normal coin. The coin that we have here, next is the coin from Germany. This coin is dated 1950.
Wow!
As you could see, 10 Pfennig from Germany. The one has a letter F and the one has a letter G. This coin is from Federal Republic, 1949 date of Germany. Years from 1950 minted to 2001. The composition is brass clad steel, meaning it is magnetic. So it is magnetic because it has composed also a steel weighing 4 grams and the diameter is 21.5 millimeter, thickness is 1.7 millimeter. As you can see, this coin is plain side or edge, and the reverse dated 1950 and featuring the plants of Germany. This coin is in a good condition also. The difference of these two coins is the letter F and the letter G. This coin, when you search in eBay, for only $5.99 in brilliant condition, but this is in fine condition.
Wow!
Or uncirculated. So meaning this coin is around $2. In Philippines, when you buy it, ay around 20 pesos, depending on collector's price or condition. Next coin that we have here, also I have here a coin from UK. This coin of UK dated 1982. As you could see, Queen Elizabeth II also. This coin is from 1982 to 1984, 20 pence. Composition is copper nickel, so that it is not magnetic. Weighing 5 grams also. Diameter is 21.4 millimeter and the thickness is 1.7 millimeter. This coin is 1982 date and has a flowers in the reverse.
Wow!
This coin is unique size.
Wow!
Or unique shape of coin. The shape of this coin is equilateral curved heptagon. It is very unique coin because the shape is very rare or very different from the others. Some are round threaded and some other are scallop. This coin, when you search in eBay, so in good condition, it is $3.94. When you find the proof coin is most valuable than this. Then I have a coin here. Next coin is from Iraq.
Wow.
This coin is featuring the plants is what we call the palm tree. This coin is shape scallop. That is the scallop shape of coin from Iraq. In the reverse is 10 pills. The value is 10 pills. This coin is from 1971 to 1981, which the word that written here is Islamic, hard to identify or hard to read. This is also called the dinar. The composition is stainless steel so that it is magnetic, and 5.75 grams. The diameter is 26 millimeter and the thickness is 1.6 millimeter. When you search in eBay, is only $1.80, which is also a good price. But this condition, that coin that I have here is very brilliant. You can buy this $3. So this coin is very good to collect because very beautiful. The next coin that I have here is from USA. $1/4. Some call this $1/4. And some other call that 25 cents from USA. This coin is year 2005. Denver Mint. In God We Trust. Letter D. Denver Mint. Minted. And the composition of this coin is copper nickel clad, weighing 5.67 grams. And the diameter is 24.26 millimeter and thickness 1.75 millimeter. This coin is so many varieties, but now I have here is from Minnesota States, 1858, land of 10,000 lakes. This coin, when you search in eBay for only $1.25, but when you find the very brilliant is in good condition, some are selling $4, $5 in eBay. So this coin is red inside, as you could see, and awesome, good for collection. The next coin that I have here is also United States of America. This is year dated 2005 also. The Jefferson nickel from Denver Mint. This coin is also beautiful, brilliant condition, and copper nickel clad. When the coin is made from nickel copper clad, is not magnetic. 5 grams in weight and the diameter is 21.1 millimeter, 1.92 millimeter in thickness. And this coin is round in shape and plain side edge, featuring the buffalo in the reverse, 5 cents. So very beautiful and good for collection. When you have this coin in your pocket that is from United States of America, which in eBay you can see $2.63 in fine condition, but some other are expensive because they are brilliant, or some other are proof coin. So keep this coin if you have in your pocket. And next coin that I have here is from New Zealand. 1 shilling New Zealand. Queen Elizabeth II also. And this coin is circulate from 1953 to 1965. 1 shilling. And copper nickel clad. Not magnetic. Weighing 5.64 grams. And diameter is 23.62 millimeter. Round shape. And this is threaded also. The reverse is the man hunting man, which carrying the spear. New Zealand, 1962. In fine condition. When you have this coin, look like this is from New Zealand. When you search in eBay, it's only $9.74. In Philippines, you can buy this 100 pesos, 150 depending on condition. Awesome coin also. See, very beautiful. Next coin here that I have here is from Egypt. This coin is from Egypt. As you see the pyramid in Egypt. And this coin is from 1984. Made from 1984. This coin is 5 Piatris and aluminum bronze, so that this is not also magnetic, weighing 4.9 grams. The diameter is 20 millimeter. 23 millimeter. Thickness is 1.6 millimeter. This coin is round shape, plain side, and you cannot understand because this is Islamic writing, but you can see the 0 in the center is meaning you can read that 5. This coin is 5 Piatris of Egypt. When you have this coin is from Egypt, in eBay is only $11.83, so good price. And Philippines, when you buy this in the Philippines, you can buy this also 100 pesos. The lowest price or 50 pesos depending on the condition. Next one I have here is the coin from Spain. 2 euro cents of Spain, which is brilliant condition. And the reverse is featuring España, Juan Carlos, España. This coin is minted or circulate during 1999 to 2006. This coin made up of bimetallic nickel brass clad and nickel center in copper ring. Weight is 8.5 grams. The diameter is 25.75 millimeter. 2.2 millimeter in thickness. Rated, but it has a stars in its edge. Very good condition. Awesome coin. This coin, when you buy in eBay, only $7.25.
What?
Very good price and very good condition. But this coin, you can buy $7.25 MS63. Graded by PCGS or NGC. But the other coin is much higher price than this, because maybe some are prop coin. When you have this coin in your pocket, that is from Spain, España. Next coin that we have here is also from United States of America. This is Susan Anthony. That coin is 1979 to 1999 circulate. $1. The composition is copper nickel clad, weighing 8.1 grams, and the diameter is 26.5 millimeter. 2 millimeter the thickness. This coin is rated also round shape, and the reverse is, you can see the eagle of America. When you buy in eBay, it's only for $2. When you buy in the Philippines, around 60 pesos, 80 pesos, depending on condition. The coin that I have here, also I have a coin from Libya. That is coin from Libya, year 1965, but we cannot understand the the word because they are Islamic. They are, some other coins are Arabic. This coin is by King Idris from Libya, 1951 to 1969. But this coin is dated 1965. You can see in the reverse, 20 millimis. That is the 20 millimis coin. Copper nickel clad, so that this is not magnetic. Weighing 5.9 grams. The diameter is 24.2 millimeter. The shape is plain, and also it is in a fine condition. When you search in eBay, it is only $1.84, which I get the lowest price of this coin, but in brilliant condition, you can buy this in high price. It's also a very good coin to collect for the hobbyists. This coin. Next coin that I have here is from Japan. This coin is 100 yen. Japan lettering, Japan character. Year 19. Year 19 is 2007 in English calendar. This coin is from 1989 to 2019. And copper nickel also. 4.8 grams in weight, and in diameter is 22.6 millimeter, which thickness is 1.69 millimeter. In the reverse is featuring the flower, national flower of Japan, and the age is readed. When you have this coin in your pocket, that is from Japan. In eBay, when you search in eBay, only $1.97. Some other are $2, some other are $4, depending on condition. I have also a coin here from India, 1992. Their maps is, you can see, national integration. This coin is made from 1992 to 2004, 2 rupees, copper nickel clad, which it is not also magnetic, weighing 6 grams, 26 millimeter in diameter. The thickness is 1.71 millimeter. The shape of this coin is very unique because it is hexagonal shape and 11 side, which are different from other coins. The other coins shape rounded, threaded, and the other are scallop. Also, this coin is very good to collect because it is unique coin from India. The others is 2 rupee, which we cannot understand their dialect because it is from India. When you buy in eBay, you can buy it $3 in brilliant condition, but in fine condition, $1. In Philippines, when you go in the Philippines, you can buy it 20 pesos, 30 pesos, depending on condition. I have also a coin here from Japan, 1972, which is the one is 2007. It's look alike coin 2007 and 1972. The difference is the year minted. This coin is copper nickel clad, 4.8 grams, the same as the 2007, but as you could see, the average is year 47. In English calendar, this is 1972. When you buy it in eBay for only $1.30, and in brilliant condition, some are selling $4, $5. In Philippines, in brilliant condition, you can buy 60 pesos or 70 pesos depending on the collector's price. When you have this coin, it is from Japan. I have also here a coin from United Kingdom, half penny, 1923, and this coin is circulated during 1911 to 1925. This coin is made up of bronze, 5.67 grams, 25.5 millimeter in diameter, and 1.28 millimeter in thickness. This coin is round and plain edge, and the average is King George V from 1910 to 1936. This coin is $4.01 from eBay, and when you buy it in the Philippines, you can buy it 100 pesos.
Wow.
When you have this coin like this, is from United Kingdom. Also, I have here a coin from 1920, King George. When you search in eBay, it is $2.61. A little different price, but it is varies in their condition. Also bronze, but these two coin, the difference of these two coin is the year. The one is 1923 and the other one is 1920. Awesome coin, very old coin. And when you have this coin in your pocket, that is from United Kingdom. I have also a coin here from Spain, which is year 1944. España, 1944. This coin is 1 peseta and made from aluminum bronze and 3.5 grams, 21 millimeter in diameter, 1.2 millimeter in thickness. This coin is rated side and the average is 1 peseta. If you have this coin, it is from Spain. In eBay, it's only $2.21. Some other are $3, depending on condition. I have a coin here, last, is from India also. So I have two coin here from India, the 1992 and 1998 that I have mentioned lastly. The one is 1998, the other one is 1992. Hexagonal size or shape of coin. Hosang coin from India, 2 rupees. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. God bless. God bless you. God bless us. Bye-bye.